Here we have a word problem on simple equation. Okay, let's go with the question. Dividing the sum of three consecutive numbers by 4 results 3. Find the smallest of the three consecutive numbers. Okay, if I say that 3 is the first number, what is the consecutive number after 3? It's 4. So it's very simple. That is, to get the next consecutive number, what I need to do is I have to add 1 to the first number. But do I know the first number is 3? No, I do not know what is the first number. Okay, so I assume x as the smallest of the three consecutive numbers. What is the next consecutive number? I just have to add 1 to it to get the next consecutive number. So x positive 1. So after x positive 1, what is the consecutive number? Again, I have to add 1 to it, 1 to x positive 1 to get the next consecutive number. So there is x positive 2. So I assume x as the smallest of the three consecutive numbers. Actually, that is what I have to find. So to get the consecutive number after x, I have to add 1 to it. So when I add 1 to x, I'll be getting x positive 1. After x positive 1, if I want to get the consecutive number, I have to add 1 to this x positive 1. X positive 1, positive 1 will become x positive 2. Okay, now I have the three consecutive numbers over here. So x, among these three consecutive numbers, x is the smallest one. So we have to find the value of this x. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, according to the question, sum of these three consecutive numbers, dividing the sum of these three consecutive numbers by 4. That is, I'm going to add sum means I have to add all the three consecutive numbers. That is x positive 1, positive x positive 2. I've added all the three consecutive numbers. Now I'm going to divide the sum of these three consecutive numbers by 4 according to the information. So this division will result 3. Okay, now we have to solve for x in this simple equation. So first let's combine the like terms over here in numerator. X positive x will become 3x, and when I combine this 1 and 2, it will become 1 positive 2 will become 3 over 4 equals to 3. Okay, now to get rid of the denominator 4 over here, so let's multiply both sides by 4. This 4 will cancel out. So I get 3x positive 3 equals to 12. Okay, now I subtract 3 from both sides. When I do so, this positive 3, negative 3 will cancel out. I get 3x equals to 12 negative 3 is 9. So we have 3x equals to 9. Now to solve for x, we have to divide both sides by 3. So this 3 will cancel out. 3 goes into 3 one time, 3 goes into 9 thrice. So I get x equals to 3. So the smallest of the three consecutive numbers is 3. And also we can verify our answer. If the smallest of the three consecutive numbers is 3, okay, let's write the three consecutive numbers. Then the next number will be 4, the next number will be 5. Okay, now according to the information, the sum of the three consecutive numbers divided by 4, the result must be 3. Okay, now let's add them. 3, positive 4, positive 5. And let's divide the sum of the three consecutive numbers by 4. So let's see what we get. 3 positive 4 is 9. I'm sorry, 7. 3 positive 4 is 7. 7 positive 5 is 12. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Okay, when I divide the sum of three consecutive numbers 3, 4, and 5 by 4, I'm getting the result 3. So the answer what we got is correct. So the smallest of the three consecutive numbers is 3.